Hello everyone, this is Jen and welcome to my channel. So I'm here to do an introduction to my A6 April. If you're new, welcome. I do planner and journal videos and sometimes unboxings and sometimes hauls, but very rare. But I like to share different ideas and different things. So for April, I decided to have A6 April. The only thing is, I am gonna still have like my Hobonichi weeks and my and some creative journaling in a traveler's notebook, but my main focus for April is gonna be these A6. So I'm gonna share what I'll be using. If it's no surprise, I will be using my Aristel A6. And so for the month of April, I am actually going to not use my field notes. I'm not even going to set it up or anything. I am using it. But what I decided to do is to use it through March. And then right here, I have right here a note, April planning in Aristel, A6 catch-all. And then for May, I'm gonna continue using this. And May 1st starts on a Wednesday. So I will just decorate from here. I have an April Cocoa Daisy kit that I'm gonna be using in here since I won't be using it for April. So I'm super excited, but yes, that's what's going to be going on is I will continue using this in May, and this will actually help me to use it through December because I started it in November of last year. So yeah, or it would be November this year, something like that. So that, and then my loose term, my scripture writing book, and my journal, I am not using that as well. So what I'm gonna probably do is I may add some pictures and do some memory keeping in the back, or even some creative journaling. But this is pretty much not gonna be in use for April. I wanted to try something new. And the reason why I'm gonna try A6 April is because I want to see for 2025. I know that's a ways, but I want to see if I can do everything like in this one size. I have tried it before, but I don't know if I've really been consistent. So I wanted to, for April, try that setup. Like for March, I'm using the monthly as for my collagen and supplement log. I actually need to add for Sunday and for today. And then, so the thing about this is I do enjoy this. I do not take this around. It is kind of thick. So I am thinking I am probably going to go to a passport for on the go. But I do like this A6 setup. For these pages, I am using prompts. So the only thing about this is when I use both of these, it's like separating a system that I could actually put together. So that's why I want to experiment. But my goal for this year is to stick with a system, and that's what I'm trying to do, is to stick with one system. But I'm just taking a break for a month in this field note system and my loose term journal system to see how I would do in A6. I think it's good to experiment and to do different things. But the thing last year was I was doing different books and getting lost. This year has been amazing because I started out in January in this loose term. I turned it from 2023 to 2024, and I actually used it as a journal. I still have some pages in here But I'm so happy because, and here is my January, and in the same size is my February and my March. And then we're gonna experiment with A6 April, and then we will go back to this system in May. So, and I'm also trying to use the pages, so I may just save this system for May. And I have an area in my planner where I am noting what I am using for the month. So let me go to the back of my Hobonichi weeks. So for here is my March, and then I'm gonna share my April for this month. So my Aristelle will be my to-do list, my meals, my chores, my daily log, my monthly supplements, which I already put in the front, errands, and my trackers. So yeah, and actually I need to check this because I did stay off Facebook. So originally I was gonna stay off of YouTube, media, and all that, but I decided to just change it to Facebook. So then I just noted I need a step stool, and then I did pull this to-do list. I put it in my purse. So that's why I think a passport size would be really good for my purse. I do have an A6 Hobonichi, like a calendar 2024. I have not used that yet, so I may see how that fits in my purse, but I will not be buying another one of those next year. My focus is just to have a little notebook in my purse. I have a Cocoa Daisy A6 as well, but I just want something a little smaller to just throw in my purse. Sometimes I have smaller purses, and then I can have sticky notes and those things in my little notebook. So yeah, so so that's where my prompts are. And so I just said, well, I'm going to use the Aristelle for. I also have a Stalogy in here. So this Stalogy was going to be used last year for prompts, and I didn't use it. So what I'm going to do is I may use this year for that. But for April, I am going to set this up to be my scripture writing and my journaling, my morning pages, and my brain dumps. So I'm gonna see how I can utilize this A6. And I actually ripped some pages out that I had from before because it was kind of like in a weird area. So yeah, now I just have those blank pages. So I will be using this once again as my journal, scripture writing, morning pages, and brain dump. And then I did something that I've never done before. I just had an idea just click in my head. So for April, I had ordered a lot of Cocoa Daisy kits. So I decided I have the a standard traveler's notebook from the main planner kit, and then I got one of their simple dories or simple notebooks, and I decided to just cut it into an A6 size. It is in no way perfect. I did not get a cutter. I just took scissors and I just cut. I was just curious, but I actually like it. So this is how it turned out. So it was a standard simple dory, and now it is an A6. And what's interesting is they no longer sell A6 anymore. So yeah, and I figure this can also be not only a creative journal, but yeah, my memory keeping for the month. And so the bottom pages, see, I can cut them up, I can tip them in, but this is the bottom part of the dory that was cut up, which it like cut up actually like really nice, because even here there were some hot air balloons. Where were they? right here. And so that actually cut pretty good. So yeah, so I just stuck that in there. I didn't even, I may see, well, the staple is right there, but if the staple starts to come out, then I'm probably gonna have to like do a quick like sewing, hand sewing. But yeah, I actually like how it came out, and honestly, this is something I would do again. And it's something how they don't sell the A6 anymore, but look, here you go. Here's your solution. Just cut up the dory and make your own A6 because it is the same width. It's just the height is different. And then I have another little Cocoa Daisy, like an older April. This is a personal size. So this one I may just throw in my purse. And yeah, so that's what's in there. And that is the main system. I even have some pocket cards here. So I also have pocket cards that I can tip in and all that fun stuff. But I am gonna share really quick my Traveler's Notebook Standard. So this is from the main kit. I may not even use this year. I hold on to my standard. The only calendar that they have is in the front, and honestly, you can wipe this out or you can cover the numbers and renumber it, and there's nothing else in here dated, so which is nice. And then I actually have one of these older ones. I don't even remember the year of this one. And I actually really like this one. So I may do some creative journaling in here for April. And maybe even like April and May. I have my Florida memory keeping journal that I kind of created, like a Mod Podge of different Cocoa Daisy pages, and also some planners on paper that I have in here. And then this is some Aristel paper. And then I am going to show you, if you're ever want to know how many, this is just die cuts. So for this month, I got the main planner kit, planner add-on, memory keeping kit, the TN simple notebook kit, and the stationery kit, and then some other sticker kits. I mainly got it because I like the colors. I will not use all of these die cuts in 1 year, but I do want to show you how much you get if you get all those kits. I rarely get that many kits. This is the first time I've gotten that many kits in say a couple of years. But yeah, so I'm gonna show you what it looks like. I put it in this paper sticker release book. So I peeled and took off every backing of the die cuts, just the die cuts. That doesn't include the stickers, but this shows you how many die cuts you get in the kits. So this right here is all the die cuts you get in the main planner kit. This is all the die cuts you get in the planner add-on kit. So I know it's the main planner kit because of the dividers, and then the planner add-on kit I know because of the smaller dividers. Oh, I just noticed I skipped a page. I did not even notice that. Oh well. You know what I may do for here is just put some of the Access stickers from the kits and add it in there. This I labeled because the memory keeping kit and the TN kit, they have their own die cuts. So, wait a minute. Okay. So this right here is the planner add-on kit. This one right here, these are vellum stickers, which are really cool. So these are the vellum stickers. So I know that because of the vellum. Oops. The vellum stickers here. So this is the vellum sticker kit. And then up here is the rest of the vellum sticker kit. And then here, down here, is the modern memory keeping kit. So I did more of like the monochromatic color scheme because I am probably, there's going to be times I'm not going to want a whole bunch of different colors. So say for instance, even for this older kit, I would use more of probably the turquoise. Let's see. Yeah, more like the turquoise colored, like balloons or birds or clouds or whatever. So, okay, so this is all the modern memory keeping kit. And this, last but not least, is the Traveler's Notebook. Traveler's Notebook memory keeping kit. So that's a lot of die cuts that you get, and I really like using this sticker release book because I can see everything that I have. So there we go. So yeah, yeah, but back to what my project will be. This will be my A6 project for April, so I will probably mostly be sharing this. And then in May, I'm gonna go back to my normal planner kit, normal planner system. So just so you know, I am not just gonna be using Cocoa Daisy for April. I do have a lot of these, but I like to spread it over time. So just so you know, I will do a process video. So I have my Sterling ink I will be using, and I have my March Miss 3 Graceful Muse kit, which is beautiful, which I did an unboxing, and I am so glad because I have these full boxes. So I am going to definitely be using this. I am probably going to be using these for my journals. So yeah, stay tuned for that and look out for that video. And I hope you decide to subscribe if you would like to see more of this kind of content. But I am really looking forward to doing the process of this, and then during the month doing some creative things because I do want to do more creative, and that will probably be in my standard Traveler's Notebook. And I didn't show you, but I also have a blank Traveler's Notebook in the back, so I have the freedom to go in and just do some fun creative things in that notebook. So thanks so much for stopping by, and I hope y'all have a wonderful and blessed day. Bye.